Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to access Parent Connection to help you monitor your students' information such as grades, behavior, attendance, and more. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Play or Apple App Store on your device. Next, you'll want to search for the Parent Connection app. To make sure you are installing the correct app, look for the blue and green icon that has the letters P and C located within the letter Q. If you are logging on for the first time, you will need to choose Michigan as the state, Wayne as the county, and Melvindale Northern Allen Park Schools for the district, as seen on screen. After clicking the blue Enter Parent Connection button, you will see a new screen load, with the Login button at the top right corner of your screen. On the login page, enter your ID PIN number and password that was provided to you via email. If you forget your ID or password, please use the Forgot Your PIN or Forgot Your Password links below the login button on the screen. You will need to have your current email address on file with the district in order for this to work. If this is your first time logging in, you will need to set a new password for your account. First, enter your current password. Next, you will need to enter a new password. We recommend that this password be at least 10 characters long. Enter your password again for confirmation and then click the Submit button. You should now be successfully logged in to Parent Connection.